I got a ton of coffee from the hotel room, so I decided to make some Dalgona coffee. Seems like everyone's been making that during the quarantine. What you need is around 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, some chopsticks, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'll go ahead and give this a little swirl. And then I'll add around 2 tablespoons of water. I think that's about right. And then just use the chopsticks to beat rigorously for around 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes of beating, I'm going to check if it's done. Nope, still not done. I'll continue again for another 5 minutes. After a while, my right hand started getting sore, so I switched to my left hand. This proved to be pretty difficult to do as I am right-handed. So after 15 minutes, I decided that I was done, and the product was just good enough. It's just a pretty light coffee foam that reminds me of coffee mousse. So I'll go ahead and spoon some of this coffee foam over milk that the hotel provided for breakfast. Tell you the truth, I am not expecting much from this. Even though it looks really cool, I don't think it'll taste that great. So I'll go ahead and give this a try now. It's not that special. It's like a reverse cappuccino. There's a little bit of foam I scooped up. Just tastes like what it is. Bad coffee and a ton of milk. Well, I guess the internet thinks it's special. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like and subscribe.